Developments here at 5:30. Investigators said this man used a sledgehammer to kill a couple, but his lawyer said he's not guilty because of mental illness.
News Center 7's Mike Campbell is live from the Montgomery County Courts building where Courtney Lowe appeared today. And Mike, this plea is not as simple to claim as people might think.
Well, you're exactly right, Cheryl. Now, this is the paperwork that I uncovered about Courtney Lowe's case today. There are two parts. The first one was a simple not guilty by reason of insanity plea entered on his behalf. The second one is a request for a couple different evaluations of his mental health condition. Now, inside this courthouse here today, Lowe himself didn't have any chance to say anything in front of a judge.
I'm respectfully standing.
Courtney Lowe was not really given a chance to say much. He appeared on video from jail on murder charges. Police and prosecutors insist that Lowe killed Daniel and Kathy Bell in this home on Holly Avenue. Detectives wrote in court documents that the 33-year-old Lowe used a sledgehammer to kill two people in their 60s. Lowe's lawyer is raising NGRI as a defense.
There are two very separate issues.
Patrick Mulligan is a prominent Dayton defense attorney. He is not Lowe's lawyer. He told me the first question to consider is simple mental competency.
Incompetent, that means right now you are unable to assist your lawyer on very basic functions.
Mulligan said a court will order evaluations, and a defendant that is initially incompetent may be ruled competent later with treatment or medication. But that still doesn't mean he or she won't use an NGRI defense.
Because you can have a person charged with a crime who is competent now, but who was very insane at the time of the offense.
These issues are just starting to be explored in Lowe's case, but Mulligan says judges and juries still make the final decisions and use the same guidelines that have always been used.
What are the facts? Because the facts matter. And the facts always matter. It doesn't matter what kind of a criminal case you have.
Now back live here inside the courthouse today, a judge set Lowe's bond at just under $1 million, $900,000. Now I did ask Patrick Mulligan if there are more cases using NGRI defenses now than there used to be. He said he doesn't see any statistics recently, but he suspects that the intense coverage of cases involving NGRI defenses makes it seem like that. Reporting live in downtown Dayton, Mike Campbell, News Center 7.